Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Jennifer, and thank you for coming to my video about Ocuprime. If you're researching more about this product, then I pretty much think you're looking to get to know more about it, right? So here's the deal. If you guys want to know what Ocuprime is really for, what are its benefits, and if it's even worth trying, I'm going to explain everything on that right here throughout this video. Also, during this video, I will be sharing some really important alerts about Ocuprime and things you should know before you come to make a purchase so you don't have any regrets afterwards, and also, so you don't throw your money away, right? Guys, since I am here recording this video to really help you out, I am going to help you out with the first and most important thing right now. So, basically, what you guys need to know about Ocuprime is that before you make your purchase, you need to make sure you are buying it from the correct place. There are places on the internet trying to sell Ocuprime, trying to pass by like the real thing when clearly they are not. So, Ocuprime made it very clear that there is just one place on the internet where you can get the original Ocuprime from, and that is only their official website. So, that is the only place on the internet that is selling the original product, the one that will really and truly give you results, alright? So, I did get the link to their official website, and I managed to just copy it and paste it right here below this video in the description box and in pinned comment for you guys. And just before you hit that purchase button, please make sure you are on the official website, alright guys? For those of you that are here because you completely don't know what Ocuprime is and you want to figure out what it truly is, guys, Ocuprime is like an advanced dietary blend with special benefits for your eyesight and overall eye health. So, Ocuprime combines some natural ingredients that work on repairing the damage caused to the eyes by environmental factors, and they also control other risk factors that make eyesight weak and offer complete protection against developing diseases. So, let's say you have really poor eyesight, or you are starting to have really poor eyesight. Guys, either way, Ocuprime was specifically and specially designed to help you with your eyesight. So, some people have a really bad eye loss situation because of aging. Other people because they spend too much time on top of a computer or on your cell phones. You know, nowadays, it's very normal for us to start losing our eyesight and having really bad vision. Thankfully, they did create Ocuprime to fix that up for us. And since it is completely natural, there are no side effects or contradictions as well. Also, it will help you with your overall health, seeing as it contains some very special ingredients that do help with eye problems but also help us with our immune system and also like to just simply help us with our overall health. Guys, I've been reading on the official website people's feedback on Ocuprime, and so far, I've only got positive feedback on it. So, I'm here to tell you that you can trust Ocuprime. It is approved by the FDA and GMP certified as well, so it is very trustworthy if you are getting the original one, alright? Now, for those of you who are more like, okay, but I don't want to throw my money away. What if I buy it, and it doesn't work for me? Then you will get your full money back. Ocuprime comes with a 180 days money-back guarantee. So you are risk-free to try Ocuprime. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye, see you in next video.